It happens, but we'll get you in here.
Yeah, I did. They were able to tell me this all I had to do, and I have the wire hanger inside to reach the freaking key.
See the wire hanger, that's where you're gonna run into trouble. Yeah, so, yeah, getting it open is just like half the battle, and then you gotta have just the right tools.
Yeah, if you just pull the door, it'll auto unlock.
Okay.
Unlock.
Okay. Yep.
I cannot take my life seriously. Michael. Wait, Keisha's?
If you need a jump, I got one. So that's the red. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it's got power. Got a battery. Okay. Cool. All set. All right, awesome. All right, you guys have a good day.
Thank you.